Welcome to my YouTube channel. Donate car for tax credit full details. Here are the general details about donating a car for a tax credit in the United States. However, tax laws may have changed since then. Always best to consult a tax professional or the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) website for the most up-to-date information. 1. Qualified charitable organization. To claim a tax credit for donating your car, you must donate it to a qualified charitable organization recognized by the IRS. Most well-known charities, such as Goodwill, Salvation Army, or various other non-profit organizations, are typically qualified. Always verify the charity's status before making the donation. 2. Tax deduction versus tax credit. It's essential to understand that donating a car results in a tax deduction, not a tax credit. A tax deduction reduces your taxable income, while a tax credit directly reduces the amount of tax you owe. The value of the tax deduction will depend on the car's fair market value. 3. Fair market value. The tax deduction you can claim for donating your car is usually based on its fair market value. This is the price a willing buyer would pay and a willing seller would accept for the vehicle when neither is compelled to buy or sell, and both have reasonable knowledge of the relevant facts. 4. Deductible amount. If the charity sells the car, you can usually deduct the selling price as your tax deduction. However, if the charity uses the car for its charitable purposes, or significantly improves it before selling it, you can generally deduct the car's fair market value at the time of the donation. 5. Documentation. To claim the tax deduction, you must itemize your deductions on your tax return and maintain proper documentation. This documentation should include a written acknowledgement from the charity that received the donation and a written estimate of the car's value, if it's worth more than $500. Additionally, to keep records of any expenses you incur, such as towing or repair costs. 6. Limitations. There may be limitations on the amount you can deduct based on your income and the type of charity you donated to. Consult IRS guidelines or a tax professional for details on deduction limits. 7. Charitable contribution tax form. If the value of the car and other non-cash donations you made during the tax year exceeds $500, you will need to fill out Form 8283 non-cash charitable contributions and attach it to your tax return. Remember, tax laws are subject to change, and the IRS may update its regulations. Always consult a tax professional or refer to the latest IRS guidelines for accurate and current information. Thanks for watching my video.